And then Jesus' love, or friendship love, turns sinners into friends. So here's another way in which friendship shows up in the New Testament, applied to the life of Jesus Christ. It happens in Matthew chapter 11. It's in verse 19. And here Jesus is reflecting. He's talking about what others say about him as if it is an insult. And here's what he says. The Son of Man came eating and drinking, and they say, look at him, a glutton and a drunkard, a friend of tax collectors and sinners. Yet wisdom is justified by her deeds. They thought it was an insult when they said, look who Jesus is friends with. Look who Jesus spends his time with. Look who Jesus sits at the table with. They mock him with that. He's a friend with those kinds of people. Christ says this is not mockery. This is not condemnation. This is wisdom. This is friendship. But now these disciples, we sinners, reached and touched by the mercy of God and drawn into his Son Jesus Christ, we enjoy this friendship now in obedience to our King. In a beautiful little book about the heart of Jesus Christ called Gentle and Lowly, the author Dane Ortland writes this: in Jesus Christ, we are given a friend who will always enjoy rather than refuse our presence. This is a companion whose embrace of us does not strengthen or weaken depending on how clean or unclean, how attractive or revolting, how faithful or fickle we presently are. He will always enjoy rather than refuse the company of his friends. He is a friend of sinners, which is good news for every one of us.